Hey guys, good morning. It is, oh, these are cute. It is the beginning of Vlogmas day 18, and I really need to wash my face and put on my face with the makeup and everything because I need to go to the holiday party and meet one of my coworkers to walk over there within like a half hour, I want to say. So yeah, I am not gonna, I think I'll be doing a chit chat or get ready with me because I'm not going to be vlogging at the party because that'll just be weird, you know. This is where I went, you guys. Okay, so last night, if you haven't seen it yet, go watch it. We went to see Electric Safari at the Cheyenne Mountain Zoo, and after we went to Dutch Brothers, and they have like the caps that you put over the hole in your cup to keep it warm. I lost mine and it's on my glove. That's cute. But I'm just going to be washing my face really quickly and putting on the makeup. So I actually got this face wash. It's like an exfoliant. It's by Dr. Brandt. Let me read what it is. It is a microdermabrasion age-defining exfoliator. And I got this in my Ipsy box, I want to say maybe a month or two ago. And I'm almost done with it. It's really nice. I think I'm going to buy it just to have a little exfoliant. Nice exfoliator, because there's like little kind of sandy particles in here that really get into your skin. I got it in my eye a little bit, and honestly I have to make a conscious decision to I need to make a conscious decision to pat my face and not wipe it with my towel. So I need to think about it every single time. I don't know what's up with me about that, but yeah. And I'm going in with my Aroma Toner water from Lush because I have dry skin, and then using my Sympathy for the Skin hand and body lotion because it smells like bananas. I think I already told you guys this in my Get Unready With Me video, but I also use it for the beginning of the day too. So as most of you know, I got my Aunt Patty for the Secret Santa. I hope she likes her present I showed you in yesterday's vlog. I'm a little bit nervous about it, not gonna lie, because there was like a $20 limit, and people are gonna say I went way over budget, but I did not technically because I spent $17. Oh yeah, and I'm using my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I technically spent $17 on her present. I hope she doesn't watch this and get offended or sad. But I got the kind of basket carry case that I'm gonna display it in. I got it at Bed Bath & Beyond. And then I also got her these like makeup removing cloths that I absolutely love using. It's empty right now, but I store it back in the box, and it's called Erase Your Face, and they're just amazing. I love using them. So, oh, and then I gifted her products that I was already going to give her, plus a little bit extra, and I just wrapped it all up, and it looks really cute. I hope she likes it. I know that I would love it. And I helped her with her gift to Nicole. And yeah, the battery is actually flashing, so I'm probably going to be putting on, I want to say a good half of my makeup and then turning the camera back on. So I will see you guys after it's charged a little bit. So I put on my foundation, concealer, powder, contour. I'm going on to highlight. I'm using the green highlight just because of like the festive like season for from Jeffree Star. And I just had a major allergy attack. I couldn't stop sneezing. It was a little bit funny, not gonna lie. Ugh, I took an allergy pill. Let's see how long it takes to kick in. But my eyes were super red because I kept on sneezing and sneezing and sneezing, and my eyes got watery and puffy. But they look a little bit better. I think there's still like a little bit of discoloration on the bottom. I am really running out of time, so I will see you guys when I'm basically like walking up to the building from the parking lot. Okay? Okay. Okay, you guys, so I'm basically done with my makeup, and I'm headed out the door right now. Okay, so I'm here. I have the president, and I'm gonna meet Dina. Hey guys, so I am home. I feel like I need to whisper, honestly, because everyone is sleeping. It is currently 11 o'clock. Just got a text from TK. 11 o'clock. I'm taking off my shoes. I just got home. I feel really bad because I didn't vlog that much today. Like, it wasn't that my day wasn't, I need to whisper. I need to remember to whisper. or speak lightly. Let's just say speak lightly. But it wasn't that my day was not interesting. It was so eventful. I had a meeting at work. I didn't feel like that was the place or time to vlog there, so it was like no. And then there was a gift exchange. I will show you what I got in the morning. It's upstairs. I don't feel like going up there. I gave my aunt her gift. She liked it. I feel like she liked it. I want to say she's gonna get a lot of use out of her gift, all of the items, and I hope she tries out new products because of what I gave her. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. I feel like she's gonna get a little bit more adventurous with her makeup. But as you could tell from the title of this video, it is a late night mukbang. But I have Carl's Jr. right here. But yeah, let me just get set up here. Okay, you guys, so this is officially the first mukbang I have ever done on my channel ever. So this is kind of special. Huh, look at that. So I just want to start off by telling you all what I ended up getting from Carl's Jr. So what I really wanted was high C. This is a small. How is this a small? This, in foreign countries in Europe, this is probably considered a large. Why is this a small in America? I just don't understand. It's like almost the length. Yeah, it's basically like the length of my face. That is ridiculous. But what I really wanted was high C. But because it's so late and I didn't want to do that to myself, basically, I just got water. And I would prove it to you, but it's like to the top. Here, let me just do something to prove it to you. That's water. There I go. And I got it a little bit right here on myself. Thanks. So I got water to drink because I didn't want to be like too awful today. And in the bag, beautiful brown bag, I got some napkins. Because it's Carl's Jr., you're gonna need napkins. Let's just be honest. Got the receipt. So I got the California Classic Burger. It is a double cheeseburger, and it is one of my favorite fast food cheeseburgers. It tastes so good. I got the small crisp cut fries because their crisp cut fries are way better than their regular fries. The regular fries are okay. You know, they're pretty good, but I just prefer the crisp cut hands down over the regular fresh cut fries. I got a whole lot of ketchup because I'm a ketchup fiend. That's all that's in the bag. And I have the California Classic Burger. I'm just going to unwrap this really quickly and show you what this burger looks like. It tastes so good. So it comes with a sauce that's kind of like Thousand Islands dressing. But it's not. I don't know what it is, but it just tastes really good. And I don't know, I find that the taste of their burgers are just so nice and different, and I just like the flavor because it's on the charbroil grill, I guess, so it's just nicer. So, how my day went. It started off a little bit stressful, I'm not gonna lie. Because, well, I woke up at about 8 o'clock. I woke up at 8. I got ready, obviously. And then at 11 o'clock, I actually was supposed to meet up with one of my coworkers because she didn't know where the conference room was where they were having the holiday party. But she ended up being able to find her way, and I met her up there. The holiday party was basically 3 different departments from the hospital combined. I think I already said Olive Garden catered it, and that's one of the main motivating factors as to why I went. Because members of my family and close friends already know that I really like Italian food. So I stayed at the like holiday party, kind of just picnic, I guess, buffet style, for excuse me. I want to say I stayed there for almost an hour, a good amount of time, if I do say so myself. And then after I went out into the parking lot to help my aunt wrap her gift, and she's so cute. She had, her gift was basically a gift card to Sephora, like a little Beanie Baby keychain animal. It was really cute. What else? There was a mug and there were bath bombs, and that was to our coworker Nicole. Oh, it's mukbang. I'm supposed to be eating. Why am I just talking to the camera? This is why we have napkins. But yeah, the holiday party was really nice. I enjoyed myself. The meeting was, you know, a meeting. It was okay. They basically, I feel like they go over the same things every single month. It's informative, don't get me wrong. When you hear it so often, it just becomes too repetitive. But my coworker Cindy got me in the Secret Santa drawing, and she got me like these, oh my gosh, a lettuce leaf went flying out. My coworker Cindy ended up getting me, drawing my name in the Secret Santa. She had her 4-year-old grandson, I thought it was so cute, help her pick out my present from Ulta Beauty. Ended up getting an eyeshadow palette and a few lippies, and I'm very grateful for those, and I think the colors are just beautiful. They're very neutral, and I really love a good neutral lip. That was a good bite. I need to be talking. Well, I really can't multitask. That's very sad. I thought I could. Guess not. Yeah, I'm very grateful for what I got from my Secret Santa. It was very sweet. And after that I came home, watched Home Alone, Lost in New York. I like both of the Home Alones, but I feel like Lost in New York is just a little bit higher than the original because it has Tim Curry in it. That's all I have to say. It just has Tim Curry in it, and it's cool. While I was watching it, mainly on the commercials, not gonna lie, I was editing my Vlogmas day. I was editing my Vlogmas day 12. I want to say 12, where I was at the gym. So that should be uploaded tomorrow. I know that Vlogmas day 11 is ready to go, and I'm hoping to edit even more tomorrow. We'll see. Hey guys, sorry about the change in camera quality and angles, but that camera actually spontaneously ran out of storage, ran out of space on the SD card, and the battery died all at the same time, which was kind of crazy, but okay, we'll just roll with it. And I'm just going to finish my food, take off my makeup, and go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 19. Wow. Okay. Bye.